Hey, yeah, welcome back to my channel, it's Jersey, and I'm back with another video. This video is a continuation of the previous video. I thought I didn't film the baby hair tutorial, but I did, so here's the video. Now I'm cutting my baby hairs, leaving the end long and the front short. That way when you swoop it, it goes right into your hairline. Now I'm placing Got2b glue on the end of the baby hairs, then I'm going to be swooping it. I usually curl downwards because it gives me more control. Items I am using in this video will be linked in my Amazon storefront per usual. It will be in the description down below. I'm using the edge comb and I am swooping the baby hairs upward, pushing them with my fingers, if that makes any sense. Just pay attention to what I'm doing because I really can't explain it. But yeah, I'm just pushing them up with my fingers and swooping it with the comb and pushing the end of the baby hairs into my hairline like I explained earlier. This is literally all I do for my baby hairs. I don't do too much. I don't use too much product because it's going to make it crunchy. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.